Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video we are going to look at the topic binary operations. Now a binary operation star on a non-empty set R of real numbers is a rule which combines any two elements A and B which are members of the set of R to produce another element which may or may not be in the set. Now for instance, if you are given the set N, which comprises of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Now, if an element in the set of N, say 1, is added to another element of the same set, say 2, then we have the results to be 3. Now in this case, we say that the mathematical operation addition has been performed on the two elements in the set of N to produce another element which is 3. So basically when we talk about binary operations, they are rules which combines any two elements in a particular set to produce another element which may or may not be in the defined set. Now let's look at some of the basic operations we are familiar with. So we can talk about the addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, intersection, and then union. Now aside from these basic operations, we can devise many other binary operations. And then again, let's look at some symbols that can be used to represent binary operations. So we can have the star, delta, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the symbols that can be used to represent binary operations. Now let's solve some examples. So our first example, a binary operation is defined on a set of R of real numbers by the operation A star B equals A plus B minus 2AB. Now we are asked to evaluate A, 2 operation 3, B, negative 4 operation 5, and then C, 2 operation 3 in the bracket, operation negative 4. Now let's solve this question starting from A. Now to solve the question, first of all, let's write down the binary operation. So we have A star B is equal to A plus B minus 2AB. So for A, we have 2 operation 3 or 2 star 3. So from this, then our A is 2 and our B is 3. So we are going to use this operation to solve 2 star 3. So we have 2 plus 3 minus 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's simplify. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So we have negative 12. 5 minus 12 is negative 7. So given that A star B is equal to A plus B minus 2AB, if we are to perform the operation on 2 and 3, then we have 2 star 3 to be equal to negative 7. So for B, negative 4 star 5. So A is negative 4, B is 5. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. So we have 1 plus, now negative 2 times negative 20 is positive 40. So 1 plus 40 is 41. So negative 4 star 5 is 41. Now let's solve for C. For C, we have 2 star 3 star negative 4. So from board mass or paired mass, we are going to deal with what's in the bracket first. So we are going to apply the operation on 2 and 3. So using this same operation, A star B equals A plus B minus 2AB. A is 2 and then B is 3. So that's going to be 2 plus 3 minus 2 into bracket 2 times 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6 times negative 2, negative 12. So this is negative 7. That is 2 star 3. So now the results for 2 star 3 is negative 7. So it's going to be negative 7 star negative 4. So we are going to apply this operation on negative 7 and negative 4. So negative 7 star negative 4 is equal to negative 7 plus negative 4 minus 2 into bracket negative 7 times negative 4. So we have negative 7 minus 4, negative 2, negative 7 times negative 4 is 28. Negative 7 minus 4 is negative 11, and then negative 2 times 58 is negative 56. So negative 11 minus 56 is negative 67. So it follows that 2 star 3 all star negative 4 is equal to negative 67. Now let's solve some more examples. So for the second example, a binary operation delta is defined on the set of R real numbers by m delta n equals m plus n minus 1 over 2 times mn. We are to find A 4 delta 6, B 3 delta 2, and then C half delta 1 over 4 or 1 over 2 delta 1 over 4. So let's solve this question. So to solve this question, first of all, let's write down the operation. So m delta n equals m plus n minus 1 over 2 times m times n. So it means that our m is 4, our n is 6. So we have 4 plus 6 minus 1 over 2 times 4 times 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. We have negative 1 over 2 times 4, 6 is 24. Now half of 24 is 12. So 10 minus 12 is negative 2. So 4 delta 6 is equal to negative 2. Now let's solve for B. 3 delta 2. Now 3 delta 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1 over 2, 3 times 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 delta 2 is equal to 2. Now let's solve for C. For C we have 1 over 2 delta 1 over 4. So our m is 1 over 2, n is 1 over 4. So that's going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Into brackets we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 4. Now let's find the LCM between 2 and 4. So the LCM is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 1 over 8. So this becomes 3 over 4 minus 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 8 is 16. LCM is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 16 divided by 16 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have the final answer to be 11 over 16. So 1 over 2 delta 1 over 4 is equal to 11 over 16.